Last
I love
question.
my
Last
country
question ako,
more
Mr.
than
Chair.
anybody else in this room. Ginawa ko para sa bayan. Ginawa ko para sa mga anak natin. Hindi, you never know kung ano yung resulta sa mga druga sa mga bata. You'd never know the sacrifice of the parents. You'd never know the misery. And kita mo naman, sa lahat ng Pilipinas. And you'd never understand the suffering of a parent or a brother or sister na nakita niya naggunggong na ang anak niya. Pinaaral mo, kindergarten, grade school, high school, pagdating sa college, bigyan mo ng droga tapos nagunggong na, and you render the human being inutil. Yan ang masakit sa akin nung na-mayor ako. Kasagsagan yun ng droga. Hindi ko katanggap-tanggap. The ICC does not scare me a bit. They can come here anytime. I did it for my country and for the young people dyan sa droga. No excuses. No apology. If I go to hell, so be it. Alam mo siya, sa totoo lang, kung meron mang pinagkatao na talagang umaano sa Diyos, siguro talok, mas malamang pa ako sa iyo. Ang trust and faith ko sa God, kaya maybe that brought me to the presidency despite of the variance interpretation ng ano ko. But overall, the Filipino people would not have elected a son of a bitch. Talagang ano ako, sir. By the rules ako.
Sa tingin po ba ng ating resource person, Mr. Chair, may na-accomplish po itong war on drugs?
I had to do it because it was demanded of the time. And whether you believe it or not, whether you have the statistics different from ours, the government, it has gone a long way to protect the people, especially the children. Successful. My language is brutal and raw for criminals. Sandali lang. I'm not trying to be smart. I'm sorry if I'm overdoing.
Yeah, it's okay po, Mr. President. No problem po.
It's not really, hindi ko sinasadya yun.
Opo.
I respect I was once a member of Congress. Medyo emotional lang kasi ako basta sa crime na talagang galit ako sa kriminal.
Ang mga police officers to gun down suspects. Tama po ba?
Yes, if they present a violent resistance, that's the only thing that you can kill the criminal if you are personally in danger of losing your life too.
Ito
But
ba?
hindi mo pwedeng patayin yung kriminal, nakahandcuff o nakatali. Hindi trabaho ng lalaki yan. It would be a dream of a city not to have any criminal incidents or violence. Pero overall, Davao City was safe. If the test or standard would be that a citizen of the city can walk all over the city and men and children can go home safely, unmolested, undisturbed. That was the standard that I gave to the police of Davao City. Isahin ko na lang, and I will not repeat it. I did it as a matter of principle to protect my country. But it's the long and short of it. Kung anong tanong man ninyo.